Use your favorite face oil. I'm using the peach jojoba and vitamin E oil all over your face in my signature 1-minute Vibhuti technique available on my skincare video. Once you've done that, apply the oil all over. Use the guasha as indicated. Start with the indented side of the guasha. 2 fingers press. Remember, because it's a strong scraping tool, you should definitely anchor and support your chin. Sculpt and twist. Do this along your jawline 6 times. Then move on to your zygomatic, sculpting those perfect Kareena Kapoor cheekbones like this. And twist. Every time you twist and hold, you're building muscle memory. Remember, elbows in the air, guys. The weight of your hands can also pull the loose skin down, which is something that we don't want. This guasha is special and has teeth. That being said, it can be used by anyone above the age of 20. We've just named it the anti-aging guasha because it targets fine lines as well. Let's break through our nasolabial folds like this. While doing so, remember to place the guasha still as flat as possible or at an angle between 45 to 60 degrees. We will also use the teeth of the guasha for your under eye definition, crow's feet fine line reduction in a zigzag motion, lifting into your hairline. This tool also works as a primary jade comb. So if you want to give your scalp a little bit of a guasha massage, you could actually do this step. Go all the way down and release. The tool is made to precision. So this side of the guasha will be placed flat under your eye, sculpting, lifting any puffiness, lifting that droopiness and draining. We will also release muscle tension, lifting those eyebrows like this. Each motion demonstrated here should be done 3 to 6 times. Lift those droopy eyebrows and 11 lines. First, give yourself an acupressure massage. Firm hold, lift. Getting deep into your 11 lines, release any muscle tension, any frown lines or brow tension from your eyebrow region. That being said, if you suffer with anxiety, stress, use the pointed side of the guasha to give yourself a firm third eye point massage. Break through lymphatic fluid and puffiness in an 8 motion like this. And always end with a drain. Here the teeth help in further draining that muscle tension and draining that lymphatic fluid. Always go up till your collarbone and wriggle out, guys. This tool is made to perfection to chisel your nose. So lift, press, lift, sculpt, sculpt and release. You can also lift droopy corners of your lips like this. Hold, tuck, lift, hold, tuck. For your neck, you do a downward massage like this. Whenever you're doing a drainage massage, please ensure that you do a downward massage till your collarbones. I hope this tutorial is of use. Happy pampering!